Okay, y'all, so I'm back from the club. I look like the girl from Brave.
Boy, you looking like you like what you see. Won't you come over and check up on it? I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let him check up on it. Watch you while he check up on it. Pop it, twerk it, stop it, check on me tonight. Ooh, boy, you looking like you like I see. Come over and...
Hey YouTube, so what's up y'all? Today I'm gonna be installing this wig. So it was bright pink and I dyed it. I had some leftover like ginger dye. So I'm not sure what exact color this is. It's like a red orange ginger looking color because it was bright pink. This is what we got, so we about to get this party started. As you can see, I already have my ball cap on. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it off.
Shit around my nigga, cost arm and leg. Swear that nigga set for life, I let him give me pre. I done it all, feel like shot it low.
So this side is on. For my ball cap, I don't use I think I said this in my last video. I don't care, I'm gonna say it again. I don't use hair glue anymore, like the wig glue anymore, and it works perfectly fine because look, my wig cap is looking good.
I don't know what y'all been told. Bet your mans know if you don't, what's happening.
Okay, so this is how my wig cap is looking. I'm gonna go ahead and size the wig on my head to see how it looks. So I cut the combs out on the inside. That's a pro tip real quick, you know, I put y'all on. When you cut the clips on the inside, the combs on the inside, it makes your wig lay flatter. Yeah, I'm so nervous about this color. I think it's gonna be cute. I'm just nervous. But I'm sure it's gonna be cute though. Okay. This is how it's looking. Alright, this is cute. Cute. I'm gonna use this Even Wonderland and I'm gonna use about 3 layers.
Shit on the floor then. Y'all bitches like to talk. That shit on the floor then. All this imaginary smoke, all this he say, she say, you feel me? Let me know.
The blocks like a man. Elliot got water dripping out the city. Oh my god, boy he got a god. Oh my god, boy that boy on top. Sipping walk, make my heart stop. All these hoes, yeah my love my thigh. Yo, I let go, put her on roll, put that whole payroll, put that hoe on go. Yeah she like to go, yeah she love to blow. Get that dick slow, like a snow cone. Yo, get that bag, show 'em how to ball. I'm in mall, yeah I'm sitting tall. Look like yeah I mean, all these hoes know, all these hoes know, thought they got the roll, give me a minute, yeah I need a minute, I'm in a minute, I'm in a minute, I'm gonna tell you, Cardi being pimpin', Cardi being kick the shit in, yeah, give me a minute, yeah I need a minute, Cardi walk again, Cardi making good, Cardi making hit, we gon' need some minute, we gon' need my jelly, make sure ain't no limit, make sure I got linen.
Okay y'all, so as y'all can see, the wig is on my head. I think it's really cute. I'm so excited. I'm gonna spray some.
Get my partner deal, if I go to jail, money for the bill, money on the scale, give me a minute, yeah I need a minute, I'm a minute. Cardi B and Pippin. Metro. Yo, Metro. I fell in love with a lesbian. Can't knock on your door, baby, let me in. I should've learned my lesson then. I didn't wanna keep going, I was hesitant. I try to ignore the evidence. I'm gonna trust myself, ain't no better than. But they roll it two-tone like the president. And it ain't been no back and forth ever since. Yeah, took the bitch on the trip, now she feeling me. Exotic frame in Philippines. No kiss and no stain, no pressure clean. Pass out the chain with hella beats. While the water like rain on that G-Star beat. I might start copping going like I'm Mr. T. I won't ride the new rose of that Bennett beat.
Alright y'all, so I have my elastic band on. I'm about to go do my makeup and I'll be right back. Okay y'all, so I'm back from the club. It's like 4 a.m. but this is how my hair turned out. I think it's really, really cute. It's like a ginger color and this was like the color I was going for. So I'm happy it turned out how I wanted it to. I look like the girl from Brave. Yeah, I look just like her. But yeah, let me know what y'all think down below. Okay, like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna see y'all later.
Boy, you looking like you like what you see. Won't you come over and check up on it? I'ma let you work up on it.